NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell said Tuesday the league had a plan to move past the debate over protests during the national anthem. Goodell said the protests were threatening to erode the unifying power of the game. In a letter to team owners, Goodell said the league respects the rights of the players to express their views, but says that the league thinks athletes should not take a knee during the Star-Spangled Banner. He wrote, "Like many of our fans, we believe that everyone should stand for the national anthem. It is an important movement in our game. We want to honor our flag and our country, and our fans expect that of us."